folks, how you all doing? So, just made the video that you will have already watched by now. The one that I recorded last night, semi-wavy, so take from that what you will, you know. But yeah, I think now I'm going to go for a little wander. Not really taking much with me. I really want to take a photo, like, not a snapshot. I do that all the time, but I mean, like I used to, you know, a proper photo. I don't know what there is going to be around here, but yeah, like I say, I don't know. It's beautiful around here, but will I find a picture that I want to take or not? I don't know. We'll see. But I'm not going to know unless I go and have a look. So that's what we're going to do together right now. The only issue is, I don't know if you can hear, but it is insanely windy outside. I mean, like, proper windy. So yeah, we'll go have an explore. I'll take the camera with me, just in case we see anything. But if not, at least we've done some exercise. So yeah, this is where I'm parked up. As you can hear the wind, but it's going to make life interesting. Very open out here. Not really a lot to look at. It does look like at one point you could drive along this. This is part of the byway. It was the West Way or something, I can't remember what it said. Ridgeway, that's the one. But they've put like a barrier up now. Like a temporary trial of closure or something. So now you can't. But when we left the spot the other day, we went exploring some byways. I didn't film any of it, which was dumb. So I'm gonna have to go back because it's just amazing. I mean, some of it is definitely a bit ropey, so you got to be confident in your van. But we all managed to get down them, and you've seen the size of my thing. So that's how you get proper in the middle of nowhere. As for photography, it's pretty uninspiring, I'm not gonna lie. But still a nice walk anyway. Just had to come hide behind some bushes. I bet you can't hear a word I'm saying out there. Decided to pull a 180 and come back. It's just, I mean, it's really nice. Could probably cycle it, to be fair. But for photography, it's boring, I think, anyway. It takes quite a bit for me to get the camera out of the bag. To be honest, I just wanted a walk, but I just brought the camera anyway. Might end up moving today, I'm not sure. Maybe go find somewhere new. Who knows? And walk back to the van though. Tell you what, this wind needs to do one. It's getting annoying. It's alright for a day or two, because then it's funny. But now it's just a piss take. Nice walk though. Went on for miles. Like, I just turned around because I'd had enough. But honestly, you could walk for miles. I need to download. Just downloaded an Ordnance Survey map app for the phone. And it had like all of it on, shows you all of the byways and stuff. I need to get that, I think. Because it does the whole country. It's about £7. But there's no point buying maps for each area because I think they're about £10 a go for the like the OS original maps kind of thing. So that's why I've never bothered. But if there's an app that you can get the whole lot on, then I might have to do that. Be cool for scoping things out. I am sweating. It's weird today. It's hot, but windy as hell. Not being in bloody, I don't know, somewhere hot and windy. Cows have come over to say hello. I'm going to try and stroke one. No, you don't want to be stroked. Right, clearly that cow did not want attention. So, I've been racking my brains today, what to do, where to go, blah blah blah. The normal business. And the smart move, as much as I don't really want to do it, is to just nip back to Leicestershire. It's 106 miles away, so it's not horrendous. Go back there, sort my shit out that I need to do, and then make a plan from there. So Marie's actually going to be leaving her cleaning job at the start of next month, which kind of ties into when I get paid as well, which is good. So then we can both stick together and dip off at the same time. But yeah, I think I'm going to hit the road now. 5:15, perfect time to do a big drive, right in the middle of rush hour. Actually, what day is it? Saturday. Might not be too bad, I don't know. We'll see. I think I've got enough fuel to get back. It's saying just over half a tank, but I had to take my dashboard apart a little while ago because it stopped working. And when I put the needle back on the fuel gauge, I think I put it a little bit too far forward. So now the fuel light comes on at quarter of a tank, which not ideal, but yeah, I think I'm going to do that because I've got a couple of bits I need to do. As I've said, I've got some things, some minor things that I'm going to need to order, so I can get them delivered there. I think I actually need to change the front brake pads in this, you know. I was supposed to do it ages ago. I've not looked actually how low they are. But they said they were low on the MOT, and that was before Scotland. So it's probably running on bloody bare steel now. I need to check. So that's another thing. I can also try and make up a little bit of a toolkit. Don't need a lot. So that I can, like I say, do stuff on the other channel, and then I think figure things out from there. But I've got to do it. I'm just procrastinating at the minute. It's just pointless. I might as well just go get it out of the way. Try and flog that generator as well, so I'm not in debt. Or sell something anyway. Yeah, I think that's the plan. It's the smart thing to do, so I'm going to do it. Right. Didn't quite make it all the way back, folks. Just had an evening chilling with Jez at can't really call it Amber East, just east this time. Yeah, it was cool. Glad I called in. So tomorrow I'm going to head over to the garage, try and get some bits sorted out and get my shit together. I'm not intending on staying there for very long, so just bear with while I get things sorted out, but it'll only be a couple of day dip in, I think, and then be back out on the road again. So yeah, needs must and all of that. I'm going to try and fix a couple of things on the van that need doing as well. Jez has said that I can look at my brakes here, which will be better because I can't do it on that driveway. It's just ridiculous. And yeah, I don't know. We'll see how it goes over the next few days. But it's all steps in the right direction. So yeah, hope you've enjoyed the video, and I shall see you all soon. Catch you in a bit, folks. Good morning. You know what, folks? I changed my mind. I'm just going to film. It's all part of the journey, hey, even if it's crap. But I won't be staying at my mum's anyway, so I'm just going to call in for the day and do what I've got to do. This is weird, being back here. Especially on my Todd. Very strange indeed. It feels just like destroyed. It's all been cultivated and everything. So the golf course is no more. But yeah, I'm just going to have a coffee and then get on with the day, I think. Get off soonish before I get too depressed looking at that bodies. Right. So many memories made here in this spot all the time, eh? I miss it. I miss that. Not so much the whole drama of it, you know, the reason why we were there, but just living like that, you know, living simple. All that mattered was the present and what we were doing that day. Be it mowing a racetrack or mowing a golf course or, you know, building something new. It was just brilliant. It really was. Made friends for life during that time. Absolutely. It's weird how life goes on, isn't it? Really strange. You know, no matter what happens in life, no matter how big or how small it is, within 6 months, it's just a memory. It's mad. But yeah, 2020, eh? I don't think anyone will ever forget this year. The year that the world shat its pants. Oh dear. Hello, folks. Sorry there's not been any updates today. I've had a busy day. Came to my mum's this morning. Jeez. Oh. Because I needed to sort things out, as I said. And yeah, productive day. It took a unpredicted turn because I selling the generator supercharger to pay off that little bit of money that I said I had. The last remaining crap from my car. So yeah, I put it on Instagram. I had quite a few messages and stuff. The person who's buying it was like, "Yeah, I'll buy it today if you can come drop it off." So that's what we're doing. The only thing is, I'm dropping it off at Stratford Racecourse, and there's like a meet-up or something. So I don't know. That's what's happening. Oh wow, that's... It's got stuck in the tree then. Right, I'll see you there. just come in. It's 5 to 12. Not much has been filmed today, I'm afraid. It is what it is. I'm currently at Stratford Racecourse. There's a meet-up, and it is through Motorhomer. It's yeah, it's cool. It's through Phil, good friend, Geeky Phil on YouTube. I don't know if you know him or not. Yeah, he's bought the supercharger off me and said come down. So brought it here, and now I'm staying here the night. Not really spoke to anyone. I think I arrived a little bit late. It's not my normal crowd, if you like, but it's nice to meet new people. So probably have a chat with a few people tomorrow to get the log burner on. Cold, 13 degrees. Can't be having that. Felt good to actually be doing something. I know it's daft, but just like going out and, you know, having a purpose, which was drive to Stratford, sell the generator, hang out for a bit. It just feels good. Yeah, I did plan to edit a video today, but obviously that didn't really happen. But I have had a productive day, so it's worth it. Got plenty of shit sorted out today. I've also put some tools and stuff in here so that I can attempt to make a video for the other channel. So I'll probably do that maybe tomorrow, I don't know. But yeah, I'm happy, I feel good. I did feel a bit down the other day, not gonna lie. Probably came across in the video. But that's because I got abandoned. I was just left down there on my Todd. But yeah, I don't know. I'm just finding my way again, I guess. That's the best way to put it. And you know what? Genuinely, I'm so glad that you can all come along with me again and enjoy this, experience it. You know, the ups and the downs, the whatever we get up to. Clearly I've had a couple of beers because I'm talking absolute shit again. But here we are. This is what I do. And yeah, I'm going to sign this video off now. You get a double dare again, which I'm going to have to edit in the morning. And I shall see you all in the next one. I don't know if I'll film again while I'm here or not, but we'll see. I don't think we're going to be doing any van tours here, because I'm like surrounded by hundreds of thousands of pounds of motorhome. But you never know, eh? Right. I'll see you all in the next one, folks. Catch you in a bit.
From the moment we arrive, Cornelia, you are one who will survive.